She protects the curl.
Hey, what up, y'all? It's your girl Chrissy. So I wanted to drop a real quick video about how I add a curl to the end of my braids. This is not goddess braids. Goddess braids have the pop out curls within the braid, and then they have the curl at the end. These are just curly ends on knotless braids. And I wanted to explain how I added it in and break it down a little bit. My video is sped up, but it's only twice as fast, not 4 times as fast like I usually do the rest of them, because it is a quick tutorial. I'm only going to show it to you 2 times. This is the first time. So after I add in my hair for these feed in the braids for the knotless part, you braid the braid all the way down to the end. Now, some advice: I only add the hair in. I feed that curly part in 1 time. Some people choose to do 2 or 3 times, but when they do, they make sure it's a small amount. Use a smaller amount. You don't want to you don't want to be heavy-handed with that curly hair when you're feeding it in, because you don't want your ends to be bulky. So like I said, I always braid it down, and you want to make sure you're trying to get that curl as even as possible with the rest of the hair. So you take that strand of curl, feed it into your hand as you're braiding. I just do it 1 time. Continue to braid down to make sure that it's secure, and then you want to take a small piece of the straight braiding hair, wrap it around your finger, and pull it through that loophole and tighten it up. Once that knot is tight and not moving, you always want to kind of tug to make sure it's not going up or down, to make sure that it is strong and secure. You want to take all of that straight hair and separate it and trim that straight hair off, so that you'll be left with just your curly hair. And like I said, that knot has to be very tight to make sure that that curly hair is secure enough to hang along. So this is what you will have, and I'm going to show it one more time.
My heart to yours, I would give you butterflies. From my heart to yours, I would give you summer.
Again, you want to make sure that you're evening it out with the rest of the braids. Add that 1 piece of hair in, feed that in, and braid it down for security. You always want to make sure you braid down at least 4 or 5 times before you actually make that knot. So once you do that, you take that small piece of straight hair, wrap it around, and pull it through. Also, guys, wrap it around more than 1 time. Wrap it at least 3 to 5 times to secure that knot. You really want to make sure that that knot is secure, because if not, that curly hair will slip out. Once you cut this part off, that's all you have left, and it should look just like that. And these are the results. Ow, 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 ow.